me to floss. I told them I floss. I told Mom I floss, but I don't floss. I really should floss.
Hey, Dr. Man is super nice. You don't need this. Hi. Wow.
Hey, are you okay? You can't talk? What did they do to you in there? Courtney, she can't even talk. We're doomed.
She doesn't look upset. I mean, you're not upset, are you?
Where's Mom? I want to get out of here.
Hey, it's okay. Look, Mom's spending money in the meter. They're nice, right? Did you get teeth pulled? And it wasn't so bad? See, Tracy? It was fine. Or at least I think that's what you said.
I'm not going in.
Hey, it's okay. Look, I used to be scared of the dentist too.
Really?
I used to feel sort of trapped. I'd cry, and then I'd be so embarrassed, I'd force myself to stop, which only made it worse. But this one time, I had a really nice hygienist. She said that I was in charge. She said we could stop whenever I said so, and I could cry if I needed to. Suddenly, I just didn't need to anymore.
Wow.
It's okay to feel a little anxious. You can even tell them you're scared. And if you want them to stop, just tell them you need a break.
And that's okay?
Totally. Look, you don't have to go if you don't want to. But I promise you, they're just trying to help. Sorry. What did you say? Huh?
Tracy, they're ready for you.
I think they're calling my name.
Want me to go first?
No, I think I'm ready, actually.
I can sit with you till Mom gets back if you want.
Thanks, Courtney. And thanks to you, too. I feel a lot better now. Good luck with your mouth. I love dogs, too.
You understood?
And you didn't? Come on. They're waiting for us.
It's an injustice.
What is?
This.
Dinner?
The kids' table. It's an insult.
I like the kids' table.
Why should we have to sit around eating mac and cheese while they sit in the den and eat fancy food? It's not good. They just want to keep us out so they can complain about us.
They probably aren't talking about us at all.
Of course they are. Mom and Dad don't have anything else.
That's not true.
Even if your parents complain about you, our parents would never listen to us.
Yeah, our parents think we're perfect. And Jules' parents wouldn't complain either. Right, Jules?
I don't know. Now I'm nervous.
We should all be nervous. They could be plotting around us for eternity. Or send us off to boarding school.
They won't do that. Yeah, parents just sit around and whining about their kids all the time.
I think they might.
If we push our hands against that door, we can hear what they say.
Good plan.
Let's go. Come on, Jules.
No, wait. Ugh. You think so paranoid?
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, Finley and Jules are both out of control.
Maybe boarding school isn't such a bad idea for some people.
Seriously.
I knew it.
What are you doing?
You are talking about us.
Wait, I thought you were going to eavesdrop on the adults.
We were, but then I grew suspicious of the kids' table.
You are right.
I'm always, I'm never. This
Never?
never.
I don't want to go to boarding school.
They can ground me.